How to do color to black and white effect over time. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I would like to black and white it over time. Right-click in your project panel and select New Item, Adjustment Layer. The default settings should match your sequence. Click OK. Now drag adjustment layer above your clips and timeline and drag its ends so its length matches your clip's length. Then go to Effects panel and search for Color Balance. Drag and drop Color Balance HLS effect into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls. Now place the playhead to where you want to start changing colors to black and white and click on Stopwatch next to Saturation to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want your video to be completely black and white, and set saturation to -100 to create the second keyframe. Move the playhead to where you want to start changing from black and white to colors and click on the circle button to create a keyframe with the current value. Then move the playhead to where you want your video to be completely with colors and set saturation back to 0. Now we have this nice black and white transition. If you want, you can change the distance between keyframes to change the transition duration. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.